Welcome back to Coco DIYs, bringing you the best tips, tricks, and tutorials to make having fun affordable. And in today's video, we are adding on to our backdrop. So I'm gonna add a balloon garland to this backdrop right about here. And I have two different balloon kits to use. So I'm either gonna use this one, which has it has a lot of black, but then it has like these blue ones in it and some foil balloons, or I'm gonna use this one. Sorry, I have the hiccups. This one that has a little more brown and gold to it. So depending on which one I actually use, I will link it down below. I have the hiccups. I have to have the hiccups right now. And then I have extra balloons from my last animal baby shower setup, and that I'm gonna also incorporate these balloon boxes, which are really fun to do. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so when you are blowing up the balloons, you want to start with I like to do the colors in pairs. You can do off colors. It just depends on, I guess, whatever your design style is. So this is going to be loud, but with this one side is stationary, but this side moves. So this is where the air, this is how you activate the air without turning on the power. So you put your two balloons on, okay, and you hold them at the base. On the blue side, you push, and it'll actually, pushing this one side will actually blow up air in both balloons. So and once you have it, you just push. Use one hand to hold the top, and the other hand that has the base. You just push and slowly letting out air, and that gives it a more rounder shape, which nowadays most garlands are like that. So you do that for both sides, and then we still haven't tied these together. So the way I tie them is I cross them and then twist and twist around twice, and then I just tie them like you're tying shoes, and then that's a pair or a dupe, as some people will say. And then once you have two dupes like this, you take one of the necks, one of the bases from one dupe and one of the bases from the other dupe, and you just do the same thing, cross those two together, and then you twist the one around, and then you tie it. And then that's your quad, like that. And so you're gonna make more of these for the colors that you have. I think I'm gonna do color blocking, so which is like large sections of one color to go around the garland shape. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, hopefully we can get through most of this and get more balloons started. is what I got so far over here. I don't know how it's going. We'll see how it ends. But I wanted to show you guys, I have my cluster, and how I've been attaching the balloons to the pole is taking a cluster and basically taking a 260 balloon and then tying this end of the 260 to the frame, the actual pole of the frame. So that's one way I'm attaching the garland. The other way I'm attaching the garland is taking a cluster, taking one end of the 260, tying it just like you would a string. Oh my gosh. Tying it like a string to the cluster, okay? So that has the cluster hanging like this. And then when I get my next cluster, I do a figure-8 method. So I make sure I focus on one balloon. I take this 260, stretch it out, right? Wrap it around this bottom balloon. That's in my hand, this one. And then go up around this one, and then back around to the middle. And then that secures the balloons together. And then I just keep building, and so that's how I got that so far. So I'm going to continue to do that all the way around the frame, and see you guys at the end. Okay, so now that we have the base of the garland done, we're gonna do the little 5-inch balloons. So I already blew up most of them. We're gonna use the 5-inch balloons for filling in the gaps, but then also we're gonna fill these little balloon boxes. So when you do the 5-inch balloons, you can use the electric pump, but you should have a hand pump. And it's 3 or 4 pumps, and then the same method of pushing them down to round them out. And you can tie these together if you want. I am going to go for using these with the glue dots to fill in the gaps. But then for the balloon boxes, I don't know if you guys have seen these balloon boxes, but I really like them because I think they are very easy to put together. This is the bottom. You just put the left side in, the right side in, and then this middle part, the 2 flaps you tuck into there. So that makes a nice little seam. And then I try, if you want to put letters on them, I always put the letters on the, I guess, crease side of the top. So, and then the set that I got has like this peel off backing, but there are sets that have, that just come with like 2 or 3 glue dots for the letters. But just peel off the back, and then you press this against there. Boom. And then we're gonna fill this with 1 gold, and then some more little balloons. And then we're gonna keep going with filling in the gaps of our garland, and then we will position the balloon boxes, and I think we'll be done. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. BT dubs, this is my first time doing a garland, so hey, I feel like it's pretty good for a first take, but I will let you guys see the final full picture that's behind me. Okay, so overall, this I feel turned out pretty freaking good. I don't like this peachy situation, but these are the colors that came with the kit. I think next time I will order from a balloon manufacturer and basically pick my own colors. But I do like this like eucalyptus mint green with the gold and the white. So overall, I think the garland is pretty good. I just hopefully can do a better job next time, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time.